In this practice, we are going to interact with Arduino. We are going to turn on an LED by pressing a push button. First of all, we connect the LED as shown in the screen. The cathode, the short leg, to the 220 ohms resistor, and this one to the GND. And the long leg, the anode, to pin number 3. On the other hand, we are going to connect a 10 kilo ohms resistor as shown in the circuit. We use pull-down resistors with digital inputs to pull them to a low value when the circuit is on standby. This is to ensure that the high level is not detected in error. If we press the code tab, we can see the program. And if we depress the Start Simulation button, we can see that when we depress or push this button, the LED lights. We push the button and the LED lights.